I'd like to welcome everybody to Most Numbers Box Breaks. I'd like to thank everybody who bid on the product. We're going to show you guys the last bid, what team it was. It was the Edmonton Oilers, and it ended March 27th, 1857. I'll show you guys the current eBay time, so we know what time it is. Current eBay time is 22:27, March 27th. I'll go back here. Show you guys a list of the bidders who all bid in the winning auctions. Just make sure your name's on there. Lots of Kurt's cards. There's the teams. Here's the box. Panini Contenders. It's all sealed. Okay. Here's the model number, box number, NE181112564. We'll show it on the box. We have NE181112564. Let's try it that way. So keep the box there. I'd like to say good luck to everybody, and hopefully somebody gets a nice hit on here. The box. There's 18 packs, 5 cards per pack. I'll count all the packs for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Empty box. Put that there. Let's get these packs in order for you guys. Okay, gentlemen, good luck. Pack number 1. Just a reminder too that we're just shipping out the hits, inserts, just so everybody's clear. So we have a base, 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 spacer, base, and a base. Pack number 2. Base, 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 spacer, base, and a base. And we have a base, base. We have For the New York Islanders, David Alstrom, Calder Contenders. And it's number 609 out of 999. Very nice looking card for the Islanders. Spacer. Let's get back a bit. There we go. Spacer. Base. There you go, guys. And base. We have a base. Base. Spacer. Base. And base. 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 We have a Calder Contenders signature, Jonathan Blum of the Nashville Predators. Number 508 of 800. Nice looking card. Nice hit for the Nashville Predators. Spacer. Base. And a base. Nice hit so far. There should be 3 autos in here, so we got at least 2 more hopefully coming. Base. 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 Spacer. Base. And a base. We have a base. Let's try that. Base. Base. Spacer. Base. And a base. Lots of bases so far here. Let's cut on this end. There we go. Base. Base. We have NHL inked Curtis Glencross, Calgary Flames. Nice little signature. It is not numbered that I can see. But a nice looking card all the same. So a good hit for the Calgary Flames. We have a spacer. Base. And a base. Oh, Panini, you're killing me tonight. Base. 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 Spacer. Base. And another base. Just like to remind everybody too, we will be having more auctions We're going to do a bunch of breaks here, and we're actually really enjoying it, and we hope you guys can join us. We have another base. We have a Calder Contenders. Maxime Mansour, I believe. It's for the Ducks, Anaheim Ducks. And it's numbered, there we go, number 66 and 999. So a nice hit for the Anaheim Ducks. There we go. Nice looking card. Now we have a spacer. A base. And base. We have a base, 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 spacer, base, and another base. Oops. Base, 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 space, base, and a base. We have about 5 packs after this one, so hopefully we'll get a nice little hit here at the end. Make somebody's night. Base, 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 spacer, base, and a base. This one feels a little thick. We're going to keep that one to the side. We'll try this one. And we have a base, 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 spacer, base, and a base. Start off with a base, 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 spacer, base, and a base. Got 3 packs left. Okay, we have a base, 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 spacer, base, and a base. Base, base. We have a Cup Contenders. Alex Semin is going to the Washington Capitals. That's what's on the card. That's who he goes to. It's number 852 of 999. Nice hit for Washington because he is with Carolina now. Oops. Just get that. Base, spacer, base, and a base. Final pack of the this break, boys. Hopefully it's a gooder. Again, I'd like to thank everybody coming out, bidding on this. We have a base, 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 and for the Columbus Blue Jackets, we have a signed patch of Thomas Kubalik, I believe. It's numbered 78 out of 100. Calder Contenders. Good hit for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And that is the end of this break. I'd like to thank everybody for joining us and bidding on the break. Please take a look on our other auctions, Molson Alberta box breaks, and we'll see you guys again. Thank you.